Okay, so we will be working on slope-intercept form of a line. So slope-intercept form has a general equation y equals mx plus b. We remember that our m here represents the slope and our b is the y-intercept. So that's the reason why this form is called the slope-intercept form, because we have the slope and the y-intercept all together in one equation. So in this part, we will be working on positive slope. So when we say positive slope, the graph of a line rises from left to right. So if we trace the graph from left to right, going from left to right, the graph rises from left to right. It's going up from left to right. If we trace it from left going to the right side of the graph, the line is rising up. So that's what we mean by a positive slope. So how do we determine the equation for this line? So we are given 2 points here. So this is what we're going to do. First, we are going to determine the slope. The slope is from one point to the other point. We count how many steps to get from the lower point to the upper point. So what we do is from here, I need to go up here. So I need to count how many steps do I go. So that's 1, 2, 3. So I went up 3. And then I will count 1, 2. I went to the right 2. So we remember that if we go to the right, it's positive. We go left, it's negative. We go up, it's positive. We go down, it's negative. That's the reason why I got a positive 3, because I went up. I got a positive 2 because I went to the right. So our slope is up and over. So I went up 3 over 2. That's the slope. So the slope is 3 over 2. The y-intercept B is the point on the y-axis where the graph touches. So that number is positive 3. So I write 3. It's because it is touching at 3 on the y-axis. So our equation for this line then is just copy everything, same setup. The only one that we need to put in would be the slope. We put in the slope there and we put the y-intercept in there. So the equation is y equals 3 over 2x plus 3. So that is the equation for this graph. I'd like you to try this next problem out. Do it in your notebook. So try this next problem out. Okay, so let's go over this example. Let's determine the slope first. So we always go up and over. How many times do we go up? Just one time, right? So I went up 1. Then I go to the right. How many times? 4. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went to the right 4. So my slope is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is the slope. What's the y-intercept? Where is it touching on the y-axis? Negative 2. So please make sure that you consider the sign that's on negative 2. So the equation would be y equals, just copy the m, 1/4 x minus 2.